Beach Bums.
Hey, Beach Bums.
We are reporting to you from Turkey Creek Nature Trail in Niceville, Florida.
Popular tubing place.
Really popular tubing place.
Very crowded. Get there in time to park early because it is popular. It fills up quick. And then you won't get to enjoy this nice, cool, refreshing water.
The nature sounds out here were incredible. You can hear the traffic, but the nature sounds are really great. The birds.
Tried real hard to read that song. So you're going to hear some sounds of aircraft here shortly. There's a base nearby. So you'll get to experience all kinds of aircraft. There's an airport right there as well. So you get to experience some of that. No alligators. Never seen or heard of an alligator.
There are plenty of trash receptacles around the boardwalk, so no reason to leave your trash laying around, and there are also benches along the way.
There's also, we're not showing them, but there's places where there's a little dock that steps down to the water, little swimming areas along the way. You can put your tube in there, or you can hang out and swim. But there's two main platforms that are really popular for putting your tube in, kind of like what you do, like some of the kids did when we were recording the podcast part of this. They were walking it.
Yeah. They were determined. They just wanted to cool down.
Yeah, I can understand being on a budget, want to cool off.
There is no fee into this park.
Yeah, there's no fee. It's a city park.
By the way, we are close to the airport.
Make sure to check out the blog for some cool images of the airplane in there.
This park does have a restroom at the beginning of the nature walk, and there's also a trail.
If you do put it at the last stop, you get to go under the bridge here.
And what I mean by trail is like actual dirt path trail.
Nature path, yep.
I don't think it comes all the way back, but we didn't walk it. So I think that about does it.
Indeed.
Till next time, Beach Bums.
All right, take care, you guys.
Woo!